We're almost exactly 6 months away to end this year, and the choice is yours. You can spend the next 6 months to completely change your life, or you can stay the same, wake up on December 31st thinking, why does your life looks the same? The fact that you are watching this video, I know. What do you want? So I am going to give you the exact framework I use to change my life. 5 steps, and I call this a drive. And step 2 is the one almost everyone skipped this, and this is why their life still stays the same. And I know what you're thinking, Ankita, 6 months is not enough. How someone can change their life in 6 months? And that's the lie you keep telling yourself. This is why you are exactly where you are. Because the truth is, you always overestimate what you can do in a 1 week. And you have no idea what you can actually achieve in 6 months. So now that you know the plan, so get in the car and come with me, because I am going to take you on a drive. Let's go. But before you get in the car, this is the mistake that everyone makes. And then they start the engine, they push the pedal, and they're thinking just by running, grinding, succeed. And guess what happened? They get exhausted, burned out, and go nowhere because they never decide where they are heading. And now think for a second, how can you arrive anywhere without even thinking what is your destination? This is where I want you to grab pen and paper and write down, where do you want to land in 6 months? Meaning, what are your goals? What is that you want to achieve? It could be starting a business, starting your YouTube channel, or building a healthy lifestyle, whatever that is. But you need to write that down. And now let's talk about the second step. And this is the whole game. So you pick the destination, but what about your vehicle? You are going to use the same car to reach to the destination. That requires a whole different vehicle. Because if your destination requires you to drive at a different speed, you can't just keep pressing the gas thinking if you go harder, you're going to arrive there. This is where you need to rebuild your vehicle. And your vehicle is your identity. And this is one of the biggest things. And this is the one thing that completely changed everything for me. So when I decided that I am going to do content creation full-time and I'm going to run my business, one of the first things that I did, I changed identity. And I know in the beginning, it may sound ridiculous, because it is ridiculous. You are just priming your brain, telling yourself you are a content creator where you haven't even posted a video. And every single day, I would dress up and tell myself I am someone who's already running a business. I am a full-time content creator, and I would act throughout the day from the same identity. And this is where you're going to write down what is the one identity you need in order to get the destination. Because without the identity, no matter how hard you try, all you're gonna do is just burn out. Okay, so you name the destination, you build the vehicle, now you need a route. And here's a simple way how I found mine. The one question that you need to answer is, what does a typical day looks like for the person who has already arrived at destination? Because if I am a content creator already, what does my day look like? Am I going to scroll all day and doing nothing? Or am I going to actually pick up a camera and start recording? If I am a successful business owner, how does my actual day looks like? And this is where you are going to pause this video and write down what is the typical day looks like for you. And don't just write a vague stuff. I want you to write down hour by hour. And this is exactly what I did. I wrote down what time this person is going to wake up, what type of dress this person is going to wear. And this is why I always put on a makeup and look put together first thing in the morning, because it really helps me to lock in that this is the ideal day for someone who has already achieved the goals that I want to achieve. But where the real shift happened, and this is going to sting you a little bit, because next to your ideal day, you are going to write down what is your actual day looks like. This is where you're going to write down hour by hour what you do. And I know this is going to be so painful. Ankita, how can I write that from 9 p.m. to the midnight? All I'm doing is scrolling. It's going to sting you, but you have to be honest here. You have to write down hour by hour what you are doing. By the way, if you are ready to take your life to the next level, then I have created a reset guide that helps you completely change your life. And that's the exactly guide I used. If you wanted to take a look, the link is going to be in the description box below. Because when you are going to write down hour by hour, that's when you're going to figure out the gap. Because that's exactly how I figured it out, that every single night I would watch Netflix from 9 till midnight. And then from midnight, I would scroll past 2 a.m. And then I was not able to wake up in the morning. Once you figure out what you are doing, then only you can make any shift. And closing the gap does not mean you are adding new things. Closing the gap is you are subtracting everything that is not serving the purpose. And now let's talk about the next step. And this is the difference between the person who actually achieved their goal or someone who just says it. And that is having emergency plan, because we have to accept it. We are going to have a bad day and our plan will break. And I'll tell you something that is going to shock you. Most of the people don't quit on the day 2. They quit after the first missed day. And that's where they fall into this big hole then they never come out of from. And this is why I want you to design your bad day. And that's exactly how I did it. I told myself that I'm allowed to skip 2 days. So for example, if my goal is to work out every single day or wake up 5 in the morning, I told myself I'm allowed to skip 2 days. But when it comes to the 3rd day, no matter what, I have to go back. And that is the one thing that till this date helped me, because no one is perfect. We all have bad days, but what makes a difference? Having a backup plan. And think of this way, your backup plan is your extra tire, because if you're not carrying an extra tire, then how you're going to survive that long drive? And here is the choice in front of you, and I want you to actually sit with it, because this is the whole thing. You can close this video and do nothing about it, and 6 months from now you'll be sitting at exactly same place and searching for new video. But the problem will be you'll be 1 more year tired, and you'll be convinced by then that no one can change your life. Or you can get in the car, decide your destination, rebuild your vehicle, figure out your route, close the gap, and keep going through the flat tires. Because let me tell you something, I was exactly where you are, watching my life go by, scrolling, waking up tired in the morning, telling myself that next year I'm going to change everything. But nothing happened until I took charge of my life. And today it's your turn. You decide, you want to hop on the car or you want to stay where you are. And if this video inspire you, I'm going to recommend this video right here, because this video is going to be super helpful. In this video, I share why ambitious people like you, they start something but never finish anything. The simple ways how I was able to change that mindset and completely changed everything for me. Let's watch it together right over there.